Oh, something tried to hit it, I think. Oh, fish on. Oh shoot. Yeah, on the top water, guys. Let's go. Oh, fish on. Oh shoot, fish on. Fish on, baby. Ah, there you go, fish on. There you go. Woo. Let's go, baby. What's up, guys? Man, I'm hella tired, but we're trying to catch the morning bite. We're gonna head to the California Aqueduct. I'm gonna try to catch a striper with the J&T Jigs with the fluke, and hopefully, yeah, hopefully, you see, yeah, hopefully we can get some action. Let's go. Testing 1 2 3. Recording. Oh yeah. All right, so check it out, guys. We made it. Woo. Here we go, California Aqueduct, and let's see, man. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we get any action. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna try some. Also, I'm gonna try out fluke with J&T jig heads, and I never caught any striper with a fluke before, so I'm still new to it. If I'm doing it wrong, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, hopefully we get some action. All right, stay tuned, guys. Let's go. So right here, guys, we got the J&T jig heads, and hopefully we can get some action. Got that spike it, dip and go garlic. Yeah, hopefully. I feel like I want to try some top water first though, and see if anything hits, but we'll see. We'll work our way up. All right, let's go. Strap on. All right, guys. I know I said I wanted to use the I know I said I want to use the flukes and a jerkbait, but since it's still in the morning right now, I really want to catch a striper, a topwater striper. So I'm gonna try to use this real quick. Just work our way down. Work our way down all the way to the gate, and if nothing, then we'll switch up. Usually I record in super view, but this time I'm trying to do it in wide view. So, all right, got this, and let's work our way. Using my ugly stick, ugly stick elite, 7 feet, medium, with my Abu Garcia Revo SX. 30-pound braided line with a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader. Let's go over here. If you guys fishing in Aqueduct, always be careful of your surroundings, the ground. You might slip and fall. So right now we're using the Topwater. I forgot which brand this is, but that'd be cool if I run into some boil. If we get one on the Topwater, that'd be awesome. I had never caught a striper on the Topwater yet. Well, if you guys watch my recent video, that jerkbait was kind of up high, and striper came from under, so it felt like a Topwater, but it's actually jerkbait. Still jumping over there. Shit. I don't want to jump anything. Over there, guys. I don't know if it's carp though. Oh, right there. What is that? Oh shit, what the heck? Oh, something tried to hit it, I think. Oh, oh, fish on! Oh shoot! Yeah, on the top water, guys. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Up, up. Yeah. Let's go. On the top water, he came back for it. Dang. Woo. This guy was like jumping around too. Oh, oh, oh. Sorry, buddy. Let's go, baby. I hope I got that for you guys. All right, no, hold on. Stay still, stay still. Look at that. On the top water, my first top water striper. Let's go. Yeah. That fish, it was hitting right here. It was jumping around. I was all the way over there. I'm like, oh shoot. I don't know if it was carp, but yeah, took it. Woo! Thank you. Thank you for being my first top water striper. Let's go. You might be undersized, so I'm gonna let you go in a bit. I'll put my I think there's still more. Alright guys. Let's go. 15. Let them go. Go guys, right there, boom. Top water striper. And you go. Let's go guys, first striper. Woo! Stoked. Man, I'm so happy. Got my first top water, even though it wasn't keeper. Finally got to experience it. Alright guys, here we go. Got the J&T jig heads with the fluke. So I seen poor man's Aqueduct. He would go this way from the belly up, I guess, for more action. But let's see. So I don't know if I'm doing this right, guys, but let's see if it goes. I guess it's like this. Did I do it right, guys? It's just like that. Right here. There you go. Like that, I guess. Yep. Then we're gonna dip it with the garlic spike and glow. So where is it? Ah, there it is. Ooh, I can smell that garlic. Alright. Wish me luck, guys. Hopefully we get one. Doesn't matter if it's a dink or whatever, at least we catch one. Looking good. Oh. Hopefully I put this on right, guys. I don't know if it matters which way it goes, but I'm just trying to do how poor man's aqueduct fishing does it, from the hook to the belly. Alright guys, there it is, the J&T with the fluke, with the garlic, spiked garlic. Let's see if we can get one on the fluke. Fish right cool. There. See that, guys? They're everywhere. Look at all that. Sometime the striper will come, but right now, bait fish is all on the side. Alright guys, we're gonna move to a different spot. So far, we got one on the Topwater, which I'm really excited about. First time. Wasn't a keeper, but hey, that was still fun. We gotta search and destroy for these stripers. So, well, right now I'm using the J&T jig heads with the fluke, with the zoom fluke, with the dip and glow garlic scent. So hopefully can get some action. All right, stay tuned. Let's go. All right, we are at a switch up a different location, as you can see, and there's a check gate over there. So we'll work our way up. Let's go. All right, guys, we moved up a little bit, another location, so still got this one here. So it still smells like garlic though. Still using the J&T. Alright, cast over here then. We're just to a different spot. Fish on! Oh shit! Fish on! Fish on, baby! Let's go! Where you at? Where you at? Fish on! Come on, baby. Let's go. Oh, shoot, this is funny. Pretty good. Oh, Jack. Let's go, let's go. There he is. Oh, gosh. Wow. Oh, shoot. Woo! This guy's fighter, it's a fighter. There you go. Keeper size, baby. Alright, ready? Yes! Woo! Man. Let's go! Dang, look at this one. Oh, oh my gosh. Dang. Look at this, guys. Damn, that's a nice one. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Dang. Look at it. J&T. Woo! Let's go. Damn, look at that hook tech. Whoa. Right in there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah, we got it. Dang, that thing hecka hit it. I didn't even know. I was just like popping in, all of a sudden, boom. This one's a fighter. Let's go, baby. Oh, okay. Shout out to Patrick from J&T Jigs, man. This thing. Woo! And shout out to poor man's Aqueduct fishing. I was watching some of his videos, trying to learn how to pop just like him. Man, let me get the measurement real quick. That's what I gotta do. All right, guys, right here. Show you real quick. I always take long when I get over my catches, but look. Alright, this is about almost like 23 inch. Yep. From here. Right there. See the tail? Close to 23. Almost 23 inch. Keeper size. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. Man, look at that. See, guys, look. Look at that hook set right there. Right there. See it? Got him right there. Man. Whew. Oh. Dang, look at that. Whew, man. J&T? Yeah, let's go. We got one on the J&T jig heads with the fluke. Man, look, check this out, guys. Check it out, look. Man, I'm so freaking stoked right now, look. Damn, guys, look at that. Dang. Look at that hook set though, right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look. Went through the top. Right there. Man. Woo, let's go. Shout out to Patrick, man. Good looking. Man, it took a while though, but hey, you gotta search in the store, right? Man, look at that. Woo, jigs, baby. Bam. Ooh, dang, crushed it. Got a blood. Man. Let's go. Man. Caught two already, man. We got a little small one on the Topwater. My first time catching one on the Topwater. Then we got this first time catching one on a fluke with the J&T jig heads. Dang. Crazy. Yeah. Got him right there. Man, look at that, guys. Woo! Let's go, boy. Took a while. Hey, you know what? It took a while, you know what I mean? I didn't get it right away. It took me like probably like to get this one, probably like maybe almost 2 hours. I went to this one other spot, a little bit downer over there in the beginning, and then worked my way up over here. First, we got a little dink size on the Topwater and down there, but when we came here, I almost gave up, but I was like, screw it, let me just try over here. And then boom, this guy just hit out of nowhere. It was, I didn't even know he hit. I didn't even know, like it was hooked. I was just like, what the heck? Something's pulling it. Dang, it's crazy. Let's go. Striper on, man. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, and leave a comment down below. It really helps me out, you know what I mean? Really appreciate it for all the support. And you know, I'm just trying to be active again, you know what I mean? Trying to bring more contents for you guys. And yeah, let's go. Appreciate it. All right, guys, got to put another one. Let's go. The other one, the striper hecka destroyed it. Same way. Try a little bit more with the J&T jig heads, with the fluke. Right, let's go. Give it one more try, guys. Let's try to lemon out. We gotta lemon out today. Man, that freaking striper put up a fight though. I was worried about my drag. I was gonna shoot. Let's see if there's any more around here. Swing by. Oh shoot. Something was in it. What is it? Ah, there you go. Fish on. There you go. Woo! Let's go, baby. Where you at? Where you at? I knew you were hitting it right there. There you are. Ah, yeah. Got you, babe. Oh, shoot. Ooh, pulling jack. Let's go, J&T Jig heads. Let's go. Sure, we gotta go this way. Oh, shoot. We about to limit out. Oh, shoot. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Look at that, guys. Ah, another one. Yee! Let's go. We limit out. Oh shoot, I barely hooked them. Damn. Yo, we limit out. Let's go. Check it out. Hold on, let me switch the camera. Man, J&T Jigs, man.
This one's like 21. Oh, bro. I barely hooked him too. Look guys. Barely hooked him right there. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but barely hooked him right there. Man. Yeah, let's go. Striper on. Barely hooked him. Look at that, guys. I barely hooked him. Look at that. Barely hooked him right there. See? Barely hooked him. I knew something was playing on down there, but I didn't know it was the big striper right here. That was like just like a small one messing around. Alright, let me get this guy out quick. There we go. Go. We did it, guys. We limited out. Look at that. Limit out. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Check it out. J&T Jig heads with the fluke. There it is, guys. Guys, bam, limited out. Let's go. And I just want to give a shout out to Patrick from J&T Jigs. Man, if you guys haven't, check him out on Instagram, Facebook. I'll leave his information under the description below. And man, first time on the fluke with using J&T jig heads. Limits, man. Striper limits. Let's go. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, turn on the bell on for future videos so you won't miss it, and leave a comment down below. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support. Striper on. Let's get it. It's like a workout right here. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, man, today was a crazy day. We got one on the Topwater, first time on the J&T jig heads with the fluke cut, and we limited it out, man. Alright, stay tuned for the next video. Striper on, let's get it. Go guys, limit it out, let's go. Striper on, let's get it. See the zebras right here? Yeah. first, I just want to give a shout out to J&T Jigs, Patrick. I'm gonna leave all his info below if you guys want to check him out on Instagram, Facebook, and then you guys can support him by getting some of his jig heads. And also want to shout out to PMAF, Poor Man's Aqueduct Fishing. I was watching him, see how he does it with the fluke, the J&T, and I almost gave up, guys. It took a while to get these. It's not easy. Sometimes you get lucky, you limit out real quick, but me, it took maybe 2 hours searching to destroy, you know what I mean? But hey, you got them. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to everyone. Ooh, man, this thing is heavy. I need to work out. Ooh, heavy fish. Yeah. Alright, well, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment down below. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any more of my future videos. And I appreciate the support that you guys will give me. Alright? And all I gotta say is, stay tuned for the next video. Strap her on. Let's get it. Oh, hey guys, I didn't know you were behind me. Well, let me tell you something. Quick limits. Actually, not really. It's not quick limits. It took a while. It took me 2 hours, but hey, that's what you gotta do. You gotta search and destroy. You know what I mean? Be patient. Sometimes it's not that easy. You gotta keep on trying. And once you're patient enough, boom. Quick limits, baby. Let's get it. Yeah. Strap her on. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, Fish on Ronnie. Let's get it. Oh, hey guys. Have you guys know about J&T jig heads? Well, you guys should know about it, because this is my first time using this, right? With the fluke and a little bit of garlic dip scent, right? Dip and glow. And then this is what got me this. Yep, 20-inch striper and a 23-inch striper. Limits. But it took time though. But hey, if you guys haven't yet, check him out. Check Patrick out from J&T Jigs. Hit him up on Instagram, Facebook, and add that freaking fire lure to your arsenal. Let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.